Hello, so today we are in Cley and we're here to have a look at Spyglass Cottage. There she is in front. And Spyglass has this fabulous garden. So this whole area down there, that all belongs to Spyglass. And if I lift up here, you see what makes this cottage so very special. Now also, you come up these steps, you have this top garden where I am standing, and this bench so you can sit with your coffee, look out to the coastline. Fabulous summer house. So even if the sun's not shining, you can still enjoy it. I'll show you the summer house first, and then we'll go inside, have a look around. So here we are at the summer house at Spyglass. Let me have a little peek inside. I'll just come up the steps. Table and chairs and a sofa. There's even a fridge. Perfect. And if I turn you around, you can see just how panoramic the views are from up here. It's really a very special spot. I'll show you a little bit of the bottom garden first, and then we'll go in and have a look at the cottage itself. So here at the bottom garden, you can still see out to the coast. And this very pretty cottage garden. And a gate there, the front door of the cottage. It's a dark grey one just in front. And you have this patio area to sit and relax. And built-in barbecue, so you can enjoy some al fresco dining. Perfect. Okay, let's go in. So you're coming through the front door into the sitting room. This is a very cosy sitting room. You have got a wood-burning stove just there. Around so you can see the room from the other side. A window seat there looking out to the garden, and then through to the kitchen. And this is the kitchen. Nice little breakfast area in here too. And shower room at the end. This looks out over the garden beyond. I'll just turn you around so you can look backwards into the kitchen. Lovely and light in here, with light from the Velux and the two windows. Perfect. And this is the downstairs shower room. Again, natural light coming in through the Velux there. Let's go upstairs and I'll show you the bedrooms. The bedrooms are arranged off the hallway at the top of the stairs. I'll just take you into the principal bedroom. You can see it's got lovely high ceilings, original exposed beams, and a window out to the garden beyond. I'll just turn you around so you can see back into the room. And I'll show you the ensuite. And this is the ensuite shower room. Principal bedroom. Little window. Perfect. Now this is bedroom 2. Also has the exposed beam and lovely high ceilings. So there we have it, Spyglass Cottage in Cley. with the beautiful gardens and the view out over to the coastline, just opposite the beach road, so you can literally walk straight out of here and down to the beach. It really is super cute. Sleeping 3, why don't you come and book a stay? Thanks, bye now.